Welcome to the match. Fans seem like they are really looking forward to the game. Let's have a look at the lineup for both teams. The match is underway. A free kick in mid-standard block. Oh no, that looks painful! Subs getting ready. Strike! Goal! Despite that setback, still in the driving seat. Might be able to get in behind the defence. What an amazing save! The keeper just saved the team! Crossing in from the corner. Nice one! Knocks it towards to the front. Opening quarter of an hour complete. Teams looking to establish control. Pushing it forward. Seeking out a passing lane. It has got to be! Sensational stop from the keeper! Knocks it towards to the front. Long pass. What a good pass that is! Couldn't quite get them. The team is showing aggression, grabbing the lead early in the game. Knocks it towards to the front. Knocks it towards to the front. It's in! Plenty of power on that! Goal! A reminder that no lead is entirely comfortable in this game. Pushing it forward. Great ball. Shot. He scored! Still in control of the scoreline, but that's a wake-up call. Good play, one-on-one. A very timely interception. Pushing it forward. Knocks it towards to the front. Carrying the ball forward. Face to face with the goalkeeper. So the final whistle is blown. We're going into the half-time break. Second half is finally starting. Carrying the ball forward. Strikes it from distance. Building from the back. Delicately played. A very timely interception. Nice through ball. Good play, one-on-one. Oh, good save! Two-thirds of the match complete. Fascinating tactical battle. Pushing it forward. Nice block. Square pass. Knocks it towards to the front. Knocks it towards to the front. Pushing it forward. They're ahead. As long as they keep up the defence, the win should be theirs. Heavy shot. Great anticipation there. The goalkeeper has done exceptionally well. They've decided that now is the time for him to go to the bench. Might be able to get in behind the defence. So we'll restart with that throw-in. Chance in the box. Tried a through ball. Might be able to get in behind the defence. Reads the play beautifully. Carrying the ball forward. Into open space. Clear sight of goal. Goal! Substitution it is. A slight wobble, but still commanding the scoreline. Beautiful through ball. Steal! Good ball movement and a decent position here. It's in! Plenty of power on that! Glorious goal! They are making a change. A reminder that no lead is entirely comfortable in this game. Keep in possession. The referee says that is all for today. What a hearty victory! The leaders are really enjoying the game.